First, identify the type of tap: compression, ball, cartridge, or ceramic disc. Turn off the water supply under the sink or the main supply. Open the tap to drain any remaining water. Plug the drain to prevent losing small parts. Disassemble the tap by removing the handle and other components. Inspect and replace faulty parts like washers, O-rings, or cartridges. Clean any mineral deposits or debris with vinegar and a soft brush. Reassemble the tap in reverse order, tightening carefully. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. Run the tap to ensure smooth operation. Bring old parts to the store for exact replacements. If leaks persist, the tap body may need replacement.